Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Today, guys, we'll show you on this Hyundai Elantra how to remove and replace the tail light bulb on the inner tail light. Okay, you can see how this one is working. Okay, this one is not. So for something like that you can get a ticket, or if you got a warning, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace that bulb. Also, we will demonstrate this is the bulb for reverse on this side and the other one as well. So if you need to remove this one, we'll cover that procedure as well. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Make sure you turn the car off, you turn the ignition switch off, and you don't have any of the lights on when you do that. Alright guys, so in order to get to the bulbs, okay, you can get to the bulbs but from the back side. And we have that carpet liner, okay, right here. And we'll need to remove a few clips. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that now. Okay, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a trim removal tool for the clips. You can find the links on our website and you can find more information in the description of the video, guys. Okay, about all the tools we use and things like that. So now, okay, those are the clips right there. So you need to untwist, okay, go counterclockwise to remove the middle piece of the clip. Okay, and then you need to pull the clip out. Okay, one is out. We'll need to do that for two of them. Okay, we have this one here as well, and some of them will start stripping. That's the plastic clips. They tend to do that sometimes. So the idea is, like, if you go in the middle, okay, right here with the tool actually, you can help it unscrew if you have a scenario like that. Okay, and you pull it out like that. We'll remove one more, so we have more room to show you. Okay, third one worked really easy, you can see. Piece of cake. You need to unscrew a little bit more. Okay, and pull it out. Next, okay, you need to remove, okay, that piece right here, and that's where the tail light is now. So we have two bulbs now here, guys. This is the tail light bulb, this is reverse. So we'll show you on tail light, okay, because it's super easy and most likely it's gonna go out. So you need to twist counterclockwise, and now the bulb, you just grab it with your fingers and you pull straight out. Don't twist, just pull out. It's important not to put too much pressure because this is a little bulb and you don't want the glass to break in your hand, so preferably wear gloves. Okay, we'll grab a new bulb. Okay, this is the new one. Okay, let me show you how the old one was burned on the inside. Okay, and now all you have to do, just push it in. Okay, like that. And now you need to go ahead and find the slots. Okay, it goes only one certain way, and then turn counterclockwise. Okay, like that. The reverse light is the same way. We're just not going to demonstrate because it's exactly the same. So let's turn the tail lights on and see if it works now. Okay, the moment of the truth. Yep, you can see, definitely works. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.